Watch me how I clean up, ain't nobody real. I ain't into feelings, I don't but just ease up. Just came out the arena, now I put my feet up, gal, I'm moving eager. Still I let go. I won't make a movie, but I'll make an episode. Flex a little something on them just to let them know. I swear I do the telling, so there ain't no getting told. When I hear the money calling, just know I'm involved. Stuff it, money can't fit in my pocket. Taking a flight just for shopping. Touch some East and the runs and I copped it, yeah. Profit, can't get enough and I love it. Split it back that I gave with my brothers. Pay the bills and the rest of my mama, yeah. Getting paid, check the views. 48 floor living, check the views. Never taking L's, never lose. That statistically show I got W. I was on my face, so I had to make it happen. Money wasn't coming in, I had to go and pattern. Rolling on my wrist and I got that shit from Madden. So you can imagine. Watch it how I clean up. Watch me how I clean up, ain't nobody real. I ain't into feelings, I don't but just ease up. Just came out the arena, now I put my feet up, gal, I'm moving eager. Still I let go. I won't make a movie, but I'll make an episode. Flex a little something on them just to let them know. I swear I do the telling, so there ain't no getting told. When I hear the money calling, just know I'm involved. I'll get involved. I'll get involved. I'll get involved. I'll get involved. Yeah, man. I'm like, yeah, man, that's my saying. Don't pick up the phone unless my agent says he's paying. Wake up in the morning, in the AM, check my statement. Me and Chunk are on the phone, having honey conversation. Never basic, so just face it, not complacent, so I chase it. If you like, then I'ma take it, and this flow is so amazing. If you ever knew all the pain that I've been through, girl, you would've had a clue. I was always gonna make it, I made it. Haters, them, they hate it. Done another shoot, so I'm collecting up my payslip. This is regular, not something that just happens on occasions. Falling off, I'm broke, it's just not part of the equation. Watch it how I clean up. Watch me how I clean up, ain't nobody real. I ain't into feelings, I don't but just ease up. Just came out the arena, now I put my feet up, gal, I'm moving eager. Still I let go. I won't make a movie, but I'll make an episode. Flex a little something on them just to let them know. I swear I do the telling, so there ain't no getting told. When I hear the money calling, just know I'm involved. When I hear the money, just know I'm involved. When I hear the money, just know I'm involved.
This world won't tear me down. It's I who wears the crown. They hate to see me now. There's greatness all around.
Destined for greatness. Back in school days, I was known for my lateness. Always wanted more, wouldn't ever try to take less. Always been the real guy, never liked the fakeness.
Never liked the fakeness, always kept it real though. Back to back on the track with my little bro. Keep our heads high, but we work with our heads low. Destined for greatness, it was known from the get-go.
Known from the get-go, written in the stars. Pulling all the strings like we're playing on guitars. Put in all the work so we know it's really ours. And now we whip it round in matching cars.
Now we roll around in matching whips. If we wanna go abroad, we just pay for trips. But it's not by chance, ain't talking lucky dips. Just kinda funny how it started from FIFA clips. Used to pay for the games, now the games pay me. Oh, your girl got you FIFA, I got mine for free. At the same time providing for my family. We're controlling the game like Nintendo Wii.
Controlling the game, it's just what we do. Started off with nothing, you could do it too. Long days at the uni, couldn't see it through. Had to ask myself, could you be a better you? Now I'm standing right here as a better me. Looking back on all my time at university. Made a tough decision, but it set me free. Reaping all the benefits, yeah, it's there to see.
Reaping all the benefits, we get the checks. We don't just earn money, fam, we earn respect. And what you see is what you get with us. Calm and calculated, not impetuous.
Come from a good home, taught to be humble. Mama always told me, gotta get up if you stumble. Never drop the ball, so I'm never gonna fumble. Always like the pressure, so I've never thought to crumble.
Never thought to crumble, always like the pressure. Going for gold like I'm digging for some treasure. Passion for my craft isn't something you can measure. Music's a hobby, man, I do it for my pleasure.
Destined for greatness. Back in school days, I was known for my lateness. Always wanted more, wouldn't ever try to take less. Always been the real guy, never liked the fakeness.
Never liked the fakeness, always kept it real though. Back to
Don't wake up when it's too late. They might think that you hate me. I'ma get it in while you wait. Better late than never.
Yo, I'm back for the rematch like I'm in the ring. Got that W and track back with conversation. I'm on the station on different avenues. Don't rate cause I'm top of the internet. Cliche, I'm coming to intercept. Come through on the dark horse like Lloyd's bang. I got a lot to go crazy. One in the daily, I gotta spend it on jewelry. Should this niggas unruly. Buy the bag from that Louis. Bought another for the bay. I come with a force in, mate. I'm star of the war. Fucking it up on a tour. Wake up, I'm bringing in more.
Don't wake up when it's too late. They might think that you hate me. I'ma get it in while you wait. Better late than never. Yeah, this the wake up call. Ain't no walking out, you better wake up, dog. Yeah, this the wake up call. Every other day I'm just a wake up call.
Bucket of water, chuck it and splash. That's an old school wake up call. Had to get up and dash. Every day I work hard. Get my cake, I'm like Kipling. And you know I'm big bro, so I save slack for my siblings. And I'm a grateful son, so I save for my dad and mum. And I save for a rainy day as well, cause it always come. When I look back at how far we've actually come, man, it's incredible. But I'm still trying to stack my cake and get my fees, and I don't mean edible.
It was always me that was hollering first. Acting like you're busy, think you're too nice, them ones are the worst. Now look how the tables turn. I'm in the club and my tables turn. You're an Insta singing my verse. All of a sudden you got days off work. Them ones ain't gonna work. Check this verse, A-class celeb, same P money mercs. Might see us in a spaceship, I know these stars better than Captain Kirk. Swimming with JJ, now they wanna work. You better pay me first. Tell them I